What's up, you guys? Welcome back to our channel, Our Life Journey. If you are new, welcome. My name is Patricia. I have been on carnivore for almost a year. Actually, in July will be 1 year, but I have been on and off. So not a full year on carnivore, but still. I have had some amazing success on this carnivore journey. And for you guys into labels and titles, I'm considered a dirty carnivore because I love my seasonings. I do a hot sauce, mustard. So I will have a video actually explaining different variations of carnivore. You got your dirty, you got your strict, you got your lion, you got animal-based, so on and so forth, but that's for a different video. In this video, what I want to do is prep for the week because I am doing another what I eat in a week on a high-fat carnivore journey. So I ran out, not really. I have 8 eggs left, which I want to make my mayo. I ran out of mayonnaise, so I definitely need to make that. I'm gonna do not the carnivore crack, I'm going to do butter bites. Same steps minus the bacon. I'm gonna put them in silicone molds and just kind of like pop them like popcorn. So I have that. I need to do, so what I say, mayonnaise, the carnivore bites, butter bites. I need to do flatbread. I'm going to attempt this hot dog cheese bites. We'll see how those turn out. This is gonna be my first time doing them. So I have a few things that I wanna do today. I need to run over to Costco, grab some eggs. I ran out of water, seltzer water, which if you guys see my previous videos, I love my San Pellegrino. So let's head over to Costco, grab the essentials, come back and get started. I did. I can't believe you guys are so busy this early in the morning.
You missed the low.
Are you serious? Hi, good. She pre-scanned already? Back home, got my eggs, my chicken breast, my waters, seltzer water. Kellen is putting it away in the pantry. We got a small mini fridge there. So I need to get started on making some hard-boiled eggs or soft-boiled eggs. I need to get started on my mayonnaise and then everything else. Also, today is Monday, so it's my first day on my carnivore week. Like I mentioned before, I am making another what I eat in a week. So make sure you guys stay tuned for that video as well. All right. The grand total of my shopping today was $95. These are just the essentials that I needed for today's Costco. All right, let's get started on the prep. Let's get these eggs in the container. Since these are my older ones, I will put them to the side, put these on the bottom. These are all of the fresh eggs. Now I'm going to just place the older ones in this container up front, so I know I have to use up these first. Throw this one away. Let's see here. My water is boiling, so actually I will use up 5 of these eggs right now. Set for 9 minutes. While eggs are going, I'm going to heat up my pan and let's get started on browning my butter. Little tip, cut them into cubes, they melt faster. So I used 1 whole block of the Kerrygold unsalted and just regular butter. The butter is melting. We want it at a very low heat. We don't want to burn it. We just want to brown it. All right, 9 minutes are up. At this point, it is starting to bubble up and the color has changed into this beautiful golden brown. It is time to turn off the heat and put it to the side. This is what the butter looks like after being settled. Gorgeous color. Now I have these molds. I'm gonna put the butter in there. Well, that was a pain in the butt to do. All right, I'm gonna let this settle for a little bit and then stick it in the freezer. Let's get started on my mayo. I have my 5 peeled eggs from before. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of salt. My last video I did a tablespoon and ooh, was it salty. And then I'm going to add a teaspoon of these seasonings right here. I'm gonna add 4 tablespoons of my rendered fat, 1 tablespoon apple cider vinegar, 1 tablespoon hot sauce. I'm gonna eyeball it. All right, I guess I need to add, I'm gonna add 2 more. Oh, this is nice and thick. I'm gonna add 2 more tablespoons of fat. Nope, 1 more. I'm gonna make it extra fatty. All right, I gave her a scrape and then I also tasted it. It's tasting so good, but I do want it a little bit more spicy. So this is mine. Callan's not gonna eat any of this. So another tablespoon. Let's give her another scrapey and a taste test. Oh my gosh. You guys, that color is gorgeous. Wow. If you guys like spicy, definitely do 2 tablespoons of the hot sauce. So creamy. Oh my gosh. All right, I'm gonna jar this up. Now, I am doing posts on my YouTube channel. So if you guys go there, I have polls for next videos. I have recipes with pictures if you guys wanna have that also. I would love to hear from you guys. Comment, which I want to say thank you to everyone who has commented. You guys are so nice and supportive. I want to help you guys out, give you guys new recipes, so on and so forth. So check the description below and also my posts. So, all right, let's jar her up. Time to make the flatbread. 2 eggs. 1 cup cottage cheese, 1 teaspoon of salt, paprika, black pepper, onion powder, garlic. Give everything a good blend. I got a pan lined with parchment paper. Make sure there's nothing on there. Slowly pour the batter. To even it out, I just kind of use my finger, but you can use a spatula. To zhuzh it up, I'm gonna add a little bit more paprika on the top, and onion powder. I'm also gonna put some parsley just to make it look pretty. Doesn't she look pretty? Feel free to use like oregano or any other kind of seasoning you want on top, but this is what I like. In the oven it goes, 350 degrees, 35 to 40 minutes. While I have my flatbread in the oven, I'm going to prep a muffin pan, tin, whatever you want to call these. All I'm doing is taking my parchment paper, squares, fold, fold, taking the scissors, ta-da, crumple it up, stick it on the bottom. Because I don't know exactly how the cheese is going to react just to this, and I don't want to put any bacon fat or anything like that. So I'm just going to continue making these bottoms and we'll see how it comes out. I have my hot dog. I'm going to cut them into, I don't know, ½ inch. I'm just literally eyeballing it. So to be thick enough where you can actually feel the hot dog, taste the hot dog. I have Kobe Jack and Monterey Jack cheese. I'm just going to put a little bit on the bottom. Perfect amount of cheese. I just emptied my bag. Now let's add the hot dog right on top. They already look super cute. Oh, you're stuck to the... This is what they look like. Oh my gosh, they look so good. But I'm gonna let them cool down before I even attempt to take them out. Let's get to this. All right, this is the butter bite. It's savory and caramely. All right, leave me in the comments down below. Do you think that this was worth it? Like, you guys saw how messy it got. Came out cute, but okay, so these are individual bites. Now the other way that I do it, the Carnivore crack, is I put it in a pie dish, let it cool down, and then just break it, which is less messy. But I mean, I wanted to try it this way. I thought it was cute. I had the mold, so why not? Let me know down below, what do you guys think of this? Let's see how these came out. Oh, okay. Oh, see? Oh, I'm so happy that I put that parchment paper on the bottom. This is a bite. Well, I'm gonna do half a bite. I don't have that big of a mouth. This would be fun for kids as well. So to get it like this, 20 minutes, I don't think you should go past 20 minutes because I don't want the hot dog to dry out. It's good, but it's like right there of being overcooked. So keep that in mind. But I think this came out really good as like a snack. Midday snack. You can do it as a meal. But I'm like, you know what? I want to do something where if I'm not really that hungry and I just need to munch on something, grab one of these and pop them in my mouth. All right, a day of prepping. We made homemade spicy mayo because I did use Frank's Red Hot. This is so good. And I think if I add it to my hot dog cheese crisps, that's what I'll call them, hot dog cheese crisps. Mayo and this, oh my gosh. Hold on. The butter bites, because I'm not gonna call them the carnivore crack, it doesn't have the bacon. Still pretty good if you have like the little munchies and you need something savory and caramely. This, and then I have to put these down, hold on. So we have the flatbread and I cut them to the size where I can make sandwiches, paninis. I am going to attempt making paninis in this, what I eat in a week. So I made 4 things: flatbread, mayo, butter bites, hot dog cheese crisps. But if you guys have any questions on any of these, please leave a comment down below. Love hearing from you guys. I will comment back, I promise. Check my posts for recipes, but everything will be in the description down below, as well as all of the equipment that I have used, especially from Amazon. I have an obsession with Amazon and their products. So everything will be down in the description below. If you guys have not done so already, please go ahead and subscribe, hit that notification, because I will have more videos like this coming up. But till my next video, I love you all. God bless you. Have a beautiful and blessed day. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.